See the front. Look at the candy apple. That one looks so cute.
Let's open it.
Yes.
I'm gonna wait for it because he get mad like, you're not start the video yet.
It's okay, Ray. You can wait. You have more than enough left for Ray to watch.
I'm gonna wait for it. Ray, come on! I'll open my start my video. And get super mad. Sorry.
He says no, he doesn't do videos.
Why playing a daddy?
What's in your blind bags?
Hey, guys, look at Emma.
Rosie, did you find him? Check your blind bags. Right here, Betsy.
Him?
Is that the same one? Oh no, that one's purple. You're looking for the pink. Okay, I thought you found him.
Look at guys.
Who's in your other blind bag?
And what the
Betsy.
I have Dority's car. Wait, my no blind bag. I'll get this one for Gracie. Please.
Okay.
Because I have the two same.
Is that all of them?
Bye.
You didn't even open these ones, silly.
Hi.
Oh, you have another one. Daddy was right. You were going to have lots of doubles. But it's okay. Because you could share with your cousin,
What cousin?
Gracie.
Yeah.
You have a pair?
I like sisters and brothers.
Well, you can keep those so when we get the shoe store.
Yeah. Which? Oh yeah.
This will be good for your bakery. I like the candy apple. No.
It's awesome. I don't want to eat chocolate, but it's toys, your little toys. That's scary. That's scary. Okay, now I have these ones up here. Going with them flat and flat. Because I put them up here. And look at as scary. But these are the different. Because this one is orange, this one is yellow, this one is red, this one is brown, this one is silver, this one is white. I got them. And these lights, this one is blue, this one is red, but this toe is yellow, this toe is blue.
Oh, wow.
And I got the same hue. What's that hue? Why are you here? What's that?
Oh, right there, baby.
Thank you. Now A shoe store. Wanna come at the hat store?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mom. And that is right here.